Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making an adjustable bangle bracelet inspired by Maleficent. Alright, Susan. I am so excited about the new Maleficent movie. I just rewatched the first one and it's so good. Oh my God.
I'm really excited too.
I'm
it's gonna be great.
obsessed with Angelina Jolie. Absolutely obsessed.
Are you really?
Oh my gosh.
That's cute.
Yeah, absolutely obsessed.
I love her.
Yeah. So I was thinking I want to do like a bangle bracelet or something that I could wear to movie night, and I'm gonna go see it. But I don't really know how to like make that work. Maybe something I could like adjust, and if I want to wear it, if I want to like let a friend or something wear it, like could we do something like that?
Yeah, sure. I can teach you how to make adjustable bangles.
Okay.
And then you can decorate it with like Maleficent inspired charms.
Oh, I like that.
That sound good?
I like that a lot.
Yes.
Okay.
And that way you can wear it or anybody can wear it.
Yeah, like I can pass it to friends. If you want to wear it, like it'd be totally cool.
Anybody.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so this is the little simple tool that we're going to be using. And this tool actually makes bangles and rings. But we're just ignore the ring right now.
No rings today.
Because we're not making rings today, we're making bangles.
All right.
Okay? But it makes an oval style. And I've got a couple here just that I made before that I decorated with some little flower and leaf charms.
Yeah.
But you see how it works?
Yeah, so you can like, okay.
Right?
So it doesn't matter what size your wrist is.
Exactly.
It's going to work for you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. This is
So
exciting.
those are examples right there.
Yeah.
You can't have those. You have to make your own.
Of course.
All right, and I've got two colors of wire here.
Okay.
This is 16 gauge wire. You can use silver or gold. Which do you want?
Let's do silver.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Let's try that out.
Okay, so let's just cut about a foot of wire here.
Okay.
And
I think it's always good to just have like some measurement device so that way you know like I can measure out.
do you see how I tape this on my board? I always you have to have.
Yeah.
I don't know how you make jewelry without measuring.
You really gotta have it.
All right, so you want to start here. So that little peg.
This little thing keeps that in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just kind of start your. This is going to be this. This is going to be that little piece right there.
Oh, okay.
That holds it together.
Okay. Yeah.
So you start there, and then you wrap it around.
Oh, I see.
The piece, and you have to kind of hold everything steady.
I'll make sure that it doesn't pop up over that lip.
I just kind of follow it with my fingers.
Okay.
And then on this side, you do the same thing.
So then you just fold that.
Okay, fold it in. So get it folded a little bit better. Boom. And then I'm going to finish this one up a little bit. And then you pull it off. And so it doesn't look like much yet.
Not yet.
But you can see how that's going to go together, right? So now we just want to trim these pieces.
Okay.
And that one as well. All right, and then I'm gonna kind of bring that into a circle just a little bit better with my chain nose plier.
Okay.
You don't want to go too far because you need to be able to get the wire in
Oh, okay, yeah.
this little circle. So it's kind of like a jump ring or a connector.
Yeah.
Okay, and so then I'm
Made
just
into the
going to
bracelet, yeah.
flip this one up towards the inside of the bangle, and then flip this one up towards the inside of the bangle.
Okay, so they're kind of meeting.
So that goes there, and that goes there.
Oh.
See how that works?
Yeah.
And then you close these rings up so that they don't come undone.
Yeah, okay.
And that's all there is to making the bangle part. But see how that works?
Yeah.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah.
And easy.
Yeah.
And now you
not
have
too
an
bad at all.
adjustable bangle. You want to try it?
Yeah, that's very cool. Okay. Yeah, I think I can do that.
I think you can too.
Yeah. So, how long did you say?
Go ahead and do about 13 inches.
About 13 inches?
Yeah, just in case you start not too close to the end.
Yeah.
I don't want you to run out of wire.
Give yourself plenty.
Look at you using the flesh cutter right.
All right. And we said we use this one here. And you want to kind of be closer to the end? Is that right?
Give yourself a little bit so you can
little.
bend it. There you go. That's
Okay.
perfect. Yeah, and then just flip that up as far as you can around that thing. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. There you go. So now I always follow it with my fingers down here, so it doesn't pop up off the floor.
Oh, I see.
It's
Yeah,
a little
yeah.
bit slippery.
It is.
I always wonder if I should take it and make it a little bit, I don't know, like it, make it.
Oh, a little rougher?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then go around that last one there. Yeah, you want to go under it.
Go under?
Yep.
And then back up.
You're doing great. That's perfect. And then
There we go.
Go ahead and bend that one a little bit more down.
more.
It helps if you have it
A little bit longer.
a little bit longer.
Yeah.
A little bit farther bent in.
Okay.
I've just found. Okay, and then you take it off.
All right.
Do you remember what to do next?
Yes. Okay, so then we're going to cut off the excess.
Yes.
So that one's up, right?
Okay. Close. You want to flip it like that.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So I'll let you do the other one.
And this one flips down.
Oh, perfect, yes. Yeah, exactly.
Alright. And then we just want to make sure that it's connecting.
Takes a lot of concentration, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Perfect!
There we go.
Perfect, so now you just have to close those
And
down.
we just close it.
Yeah, and you can just, you can do it like that, or you can squeeze them too.
Just squeeze them.
Yep, just make sure that the ring is
Actually in there.
in it, yeah, or around it.
Easier if I just fold that in.
Yeah, that's probably the easiest way to do it. Perfect. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna decorate it.
All right.
Okay, now I have some charms here. Like this one says, never let your wings be stolen. And she actually says, never let your wings be stolen from you. But I didn't have enough space on there.
That's a little wordy.
So, but it's a quote.
Yeah.
So that is stamped on this one. And this one says fly,
Okay.
which I thought was kind of cool.
Oh, yeah,
And then this
yeah.
wing here. And then I've got these little purple guys here.
Okay.
But it's up to you. Here's some jump rings right here.
All right.
You know how to
Oh,
use them.
yeah.
And so most people put the charms along here.
Okay, right here.
Yeah, so they kind of stay in the center.
In that same.
Which is
okay.
kind of cool because if you think about it, on a regular bangle bracelet, they would just,
Kind of
flop
like
around all over and
fall
always
over
be on the
place.
bottom.
Yeah.
But with this, you can keep them on the top.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. All right.
So your choice.
We're gonna-
And I thought these guys looked cute stacked together, the fly and
These here?
the two. Yeah, you could stack all of them together if you want.
Yeah, I think it's kind of cool.
You can put several on the same jump.
On the same jump ring?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
I would definitely put those two on the same jump.
Yeah, okay.
I think you're having my problem.
Yeah, finding that.
I can't see it.
Finding it, yeah. All right. Yeah, let's do these wings too, because I feel like that's...
I like the wing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very emblematic of her.
You are the jump ring expert.
There we go.
That looks really cute.
So cool. Yeah. I dig that. All right.
Yeah, so now you
So
can
then we just...
pop it on.
Then you're good to go.
Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at that.
And there you are. You're all
You
ready.
can squeeze that in. You have
Just
a tiny
it.
wrist.
I have a tiny wrist.
I think your wrist might be
like
smaller than mine.
Anti-wrist. Almost.
Thank you so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we worked with today, check out the links down below. What kind of charms would you decorate your adjustable bracelet with? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that you know a little bit about making an adjustable bracelet inspired by Maleficent, you can say,
I made this.